Okay, so this is really funny, you guys. This right here is a cabbage start that I bought, and I didn't have room to plant it in my garden, so I just threw it over here, expecting the chickens to eat it, and it's doing better than the cabbage starts that I planted. Like, let's go look at those real quick. But first, little bunny, you're not supposed to be in my garden. Yeah, you're supposed to, like, get out of my garden. So here are my cabbage starts that I actually planted in my garden. They've got like yellow leaves. They're growing. So there's that, but like they don't look super great. So last night I made a salad for dinner. The first healthy craving I've had this entire pregnancy. I was craving a salad. So we had some kale. I pulled a little bit, like 2 or 3 leaves off of each of these kale plants. And then we had some of our chard that is like not getting like bigger, but it's growing more leaves. And then I threw in some of our, I need a weed in here. Threw in some of our peas because we have peas now, and I left all of these on here yesterday because they were like this size. So they went from this size to this size overnight basically. And it rained last night, so that doesn't surprise me. But we have so many little baby peas on here. I'm so excited. Let's see. Our Brussels sprouts are looking good. I really need to do a lot of weeding. Ugh, this looks horrible. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to hop on real quick and update you guys a little bit on our basement while I am picking these peas because they're getting a little large. Y'all, I skipped like 2 days of coming out and checking on these, and look how big this is. So, update on our water in the basement situation. We were able to pump everything out. We don't have any more water in our basement. And then our landlord actually came by and cleaned out a drain that we had in our basement that apparently was an important thing. Yeah. We didn't realize there was a drain there, and there was. So, it's clean now, and we know it's there, so we can make sure it stays clean now. Here's another one. So we were able to pump everything out. Our landlord came by, cleaned the drain, brought a dehumidifier, and that's been running for like probably a week now. I want to say maybe a little less. And then he also brought a fan by to keep air circulating so that mold doesn't grow, because you know, when water gets in a basement, that's typically what happens. Mold grows. Hey, can you guys like not be climbing each other and climb the trellis that I have set for you, please? That would be nice. Would also make me harvesting things be a lot easier. Like, tear you guys apart, but like, come on now. Just climb up this instead of each other. See, isn't that better? Okay. I think I got all of them. Look at, of course I didn't bring anything out here, but a lovely couple of handfuls. Alright, let's go inside and we'll chat more because I have more to update you guys on. Okay, so I said that I have some more to update you guys on. It's not about the garden, it's not about the chickens, it's not about the homestead stuff. It is, a while back I told you guys about my eye disease where I lost all my central vision in this eye. I had a follow-up appointment with my specialist, and well, at my original appointment it was, we're not sure if your left eye is going to ever get as bad as your right eye. The only thing we can do is monitor it, and if it starts to get worse, we have a treatment that will slow it down. It won't cure it, it won't stop it completely from happening, but it will slow it down significantly. This time it was based on the difference between last appointment and this appointment. Your eye will never get that bad. Because basically what happened is I got histoplasmosis. I got it at a young age, or not young age. We don't know when I got it. It moved from the lungs to my eye, which caused a vascular growth. Now, it's super rare for histoplasmosis to move from the lungs to the eye, and it's also super rare for it to cause a vascular growth if it does. So, lucky me, I guess? Anyway, we got, because this developed a vascular growth, or not because of it, but so a vascular growth was developed in this eye. The older you get, the less likely you are to have a vascular growth develop. So basically, I'm at the age where it's really unlikely for me to develop another one in this eye. So with no significant growth happening between my last visit and this visit, and because of my age, my specialist basically told me, your left eye will never get as bad as your right eye. It still could get worse than what it is now, but it will never get as bad. You'll never completely lose your central vision in your left eye, which is really good, because if I did, I wouldn't be able to drive. I wouldn't be able to see my kids grow up. I could see peripheral stuff, but I would never get to look at them and see their face. But now I don't have that issue. That'll never happen. I'll never completely lose my central vision. So I'll be able to drive. I'll be able to see my kids grow up. I'll be able to watch them get married, do whatever they want to do with their lives, and I'll actually be able to see it. Now, like he said, it could get worse, so he's gonna keep me in his care for a while. Basically, my first appointment to my second appointment was 3 months, and because we didn't see any significant development, we're basically just gonna do 6-month appointments from here on out. If my vision starts to change, get worse, whatever, I'm more than welcome to go in. Actually, I'm not more than welcome to go in. I'm commanded to go in, just so we can make sure nothing is happening. But it was a good visit, and I'm feeling really hopeful about it. I didn't realize how, not really panicked, but worried I was about not being able to see my kids grow up until he told me that that wasn't going to happen. And so it's really nice knowing that it's just really nice knowing that I'm going to get to watch my kids grow old and actually be able to watch it happen and not just like peripheral watch it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys both of those little updates, the one on the basement and the one on my eyes. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time.